Nā, kua tai mai etahi kaiwhiwhi karahipi Fulbright no Amerika ki Aotearoa nei ki te mātai atu i te āhua o te marautanga kura kaupapa Māori. Hei aha, hei whakahoki mā rātou ki o rātou kāinga. Hei tā tētahi o ngā uri Amerikana nei, ko te hara mai ki Aotearoa ki te nohotahi ki a tātou te Māori, te whakatutukihanga o tana tino moimoia. Nei rā te pūrongo a Eruera Rerekura.
E kai ngā kau nui ana e ne akonga Fulbright no Amerika ki ngā kura kaupapa Māori.
This is my third time in Aotearoa, and when I applied for the Fulbright Distinguished Award in Teaching, I knew that I would apply to come here. First, it's a beautiful country, and second, I wanted to work with Māori people in order to develop the cultural pedagogy at my school back in Los Angeles.
I am a primary school teacher in Oakland, and I work at a school that is a dual language school that teaches in Spanish and English. And I came here to see what Māori immersion was about.
I came from an African-American background. In the States, I do a lot in race and ethnicity. I was interested in multicultural, multi-immersion schools because of the sense of self-determination within the schools.
Hei tā tēnei kaiako no ngā anahira, ko ngā kura kaupapa Māori, ngā tino tauira, hei whai atu mōna.
Māori teachers and schools are experts at teaching culture, and so I wanted to integrate a lot of the practices that I see at the schools at my school. So I developed a website. It's called aotearoa2spanish.wordpress.com, and I developed a presentation where I documented all of the cultural practices of Māori teachers and schools.
I want to personally create a model based off of Kaupapa Māori immersion schools that would actually embrace the well-being of the African American student. Obviously, my focus is in policy and education policy, and so what I'm doing here is I'm studying what is Kaupapa Māori, what is the philosophy, especially within the realm of education.
Mō tēnei uri Irania, ko whakawhānui tana mōhiotanga.
What I learned was way beyond what I could have imagined. We do dual language, but I think that what happened was that my brain totally expanded around Indigenous education and around Indigenous research methods, so also as a researcher, thinking about what are the implications for doing research in an Indigenous context, and that's really been the transformative part of the experience for me.
He ahua ono marama noiho moene akonga, kia huki atu rātou ki Amerika, a ka ki a rātou ke te mātauranga i ngā hua no te ao Māori. Iruere Rerekura, Te Karere.